My name is Valerie. I'm 7 years old. Today we're going to be making squishy. Today, let's go! So, I'm pretty sure you open it this way. That you'll definitely be needing. What's this? Was that funny, you guys? Okay, so I'm pretty sure you need this. I'm pretty sure you have to take off this. Let's read the instructions.
Introducing Doctor Squish. Dr. Squish is the most popular squishy maker in the world, and now you can make your very own squishies too.
What does it say for number 1?
Step number 1. First, choose the size of the squishy to make. We recommend starting with the smaller size. Use the squishy supporter to make a small or medium squishy. Just flip over the supporter to choose the size and place it into the bowl of the squishy maker.
So now my mom's helping me.
Let's see if we do this here.
I think now we need this to open.
Step 2. Place the clear dome onto the squishy maker and twist clockwise until it locks tightly closed.
It already is tightly closed. What's the next step?
Step 3. Insert the squishy balloon into the dome and carefully stretch the neck of the squishy around the neck of the clear dome.
These are the squishies. Let me get one. Now, Mommy, can you please help me? I'm actually not meant to do this because on the box it says for Eat Plus. And I'm actually 7. If you go back and you hear at the beginning, I say I'm 7 years old. And my mom's helping.
Step 4. Start pumping and the squishy will inflate within the clear dome. Keep pumping until the squishy touches the support.
Okay, done.
Step 5. Use the 10 milliliter spoon to add the jelly powder to the inflated squishy inside in the dome. Add 1 spoonful for a small-sized squishy.
So my mom's going to do it. It's, by the way, if you just block the air, it actually already is a squishy look. Now let's see what's next.
Step 6. Add any extra content you want inside your squishy. Use the sparkles, confetti, or any of your own items.
Okay, so now I'm actually going to get a slime. So, now I have my slime. I'm just going to add a little bit. So what's the next step?
7. Now carefully fill the squishy with water almost to the top and gently stir the mixture.
So my mom's getting water.
Do you want me to pour?
Yeah. that's good.
And now stir.
I think we need to get something to stir with. So my mom's getting something. Does this look like it's just a bubble that's floating around? I think it did look like one. Okay, so now we'll just stir. I can't really stir. Is that about sign?
I think it's okay. Just stir it the best you can.
Okay.
Can you try to go around the slime, like on the outside part? Yeah. You can stir the jelly powder.
I think I'm all done.
Number 8, put the bung into the neck of the squishy. Make sure it is in the right way around and don't let it fall inside. Hold the bung level with the edge of the chamber. Carefully lift and roll the neck of the squishy up and it will snap into the slot around the bung and seal tight.
So what's the bung?
The white thing, the white circle.
It goes that way.
You want me to do it?
Yeah. My mom is doing this. I bet she's really struggling. Are you, Mommy?
Hey.
Are you, Mommy?
I think I just did it. Okay, so let's see what the next step is. Step 9, now untwist the clear dome and carefully take the squishy out from the clear dome. Gently twist the bung and neck of the squishy.
Take out the clear dome.
Gently twist the bung and neck of the squishy.
You have to twist it.
Put the special clip around the twisted neck of the squishy and carefully snap it shut. Now peel the neck of the squishy back and remove the bung.
What is next?
Peel this back and remove the bung. Hold this. Then it says, enjoy your squishy.
I like my squishy. I think this is like a let it go slime. Look. It's like let it go because this looks like snow and this is like frozen kinda. Let it go. Let it go. This is the end.